think I got some very defined curls, as you can see, and the leave-in conditioner, TGIN, and the Wetline Extreme Gel goes pretty good together. Hi guys, what's up? Today I'm going to be doing a wash and go using the Wetline Extreme Styling Gel in combination with the TGIN leave-in conditioner. If this is your first time seeing me, my name is Kadeen. Welcome to my channel. Please consider subscribing and hitting the like button if you like the content that I put out. So I'm curious to see if these two products will complement each other. I know for sure that water is listed as the first ingredients for both of them, so that should be an indicator that they will go well with each other. But most importantly, am I going to get defined curl on my 4C hair? I don't know. Well, let's get into the video and find out. So I already went ahead and sectioned my hair into 4 sections so that it would be more manageable for me. And I also have my handy dandy water bottle here in case my hair gets dry and I need to put some more moisture so that the products will take onto it better. Right here. Alright, so first I'm gonna start off with one of the back section. And as you can see, my hair is dry, so it's gonna need a lot of water. So let me go ahead and mist. So going to comb it out, make sure that there's no knots. Detangle. Okay, I think it needs some more water. My hair personally likes moisture, so the more moisture, the better. I get better definition. So I'm just gonna make sure that it's soaking wet. Okay, so next I'm gonna use the detangling brush, and I'm gonna go through it. Make sure that there's no knots and it's nice and detangled. It talks so weird sometimes. Oh, look at that, starting to pop already. Alright, so oh, look at this. Oh, it's looking good already. Alright, so first I'm gonna put some leave-in conditioner. And this is the one. Focus. Alright, so I'm just gonna go over this big section right here. And I'm just gonna distribute the product all over from the roots to the tip. So the gel, it doesn't have like a strong fragrance, but it smells nice. It's kind of like a mild scent. Yeah, and it smells good. Alright, so I'm gonna start off with about this amount. And I'm gonna put it all over the hair first. Okay, so now we're on the last section right here, and as you can see, I have a lot of definition. This part is kind of, the back of it is partially dry already. I just finished the side over here. Yeah, it's looking good so far. And you're seeing a white coating because it's not dry. So hopefully when it's dry, you know, it will all go away and then I won't have any flakes. Alright, so let's finish up the last section. Go ahead and moisturize with some water. Hi guys, so here I'm back with the final result. As you can see, I had an amazing result, guys. Look at these curls. Oh my gosh. Okay, so obviously the XTREME Wetline Styling Gel along with the TGIN leave-in conditioner paired very good together because I'm not noticing any flakes whatsoever. And one thing I would say about the gel is that it's a medium oil because I don't have this hard cast on my hair right now. It feels moisturized and I have movement, as you can see. Yeah, my hair is also very shiny. So yes, I'm very impressed because I know that 4C hair normally tend to not be as defined, you know, depending on whatever product that you're using. So I think my result came out pretty good. As you can see, a lot of definition, nice, shiny, bouncy. I do experience a lot of shrinkage, but that is to be expected, which doesn't bother me at all. So I don't have an issue with that. So guys, also make sure that you leave a comment in the description below and make sure you let me know if you like the hairstyle, if you like my result. What do you think about the gel? Would you try it for yourself or have you tried it before? Let's be interactive in the comment section, guys. That helps to push my videos so YouTube could recommend my videos to other people who are interested in natural hairstyles and stuff like that. Also, I noticed a lot of you guys watch my videos but you're not subscribed to my channel, so do your girl a favor and hit that subscribe button. And also, it's very important for you to click the notification bell because what that does is whenever I upload like a new video, YouTube will send you the notification so you'd be informed, so you could be the first to watch my video. Isn't that cool? Yeah, so it doesn't cost you anything, guys. Please subscribe to my channel. I'm a new YouTuber and I need your support, guys. Alright, so thank you for tuning in and watching my video. I appreciate you guys. Thank you. God bless. Bye.